We're going on, Jen. We're live. Hey, everybody out there. How you doing? It's the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. I am Greg, Mester Scrum Master and Agile Coach, and this is Jerry. Jerry, say hi. Jerry's our little rescue doggy. And there's somebody over there who's a YouTube star. Anyway, and we are here to talk about the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show, Scrum and Agile in a practical and tactical way. And somebody wants attention. Why I'm doing the show. This is make sure you don't have sound on that one. Anyway, it's Friday. It's crazy Friday. It is. We're gonna do fortune cookies, by the way. Fortune cookies. Jerry's like, ooh, what's that? Cookie? We're gonna do fortune cookies today.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, after I go.
Okay.
Okay. We got
that's good.
Okay. He's gonna eat it. He's gonna eat the cookie. Oh, my props don't last very long. I get taken away. Stealing from the kids anyhow. Anyway, it's 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show where we talk about Scrum and Agile in a practical and an agile way. And we bring value, try to help you bring value to the customer, not work really long hours during the week to get that value to the customer. Get home to your family and friends so you can have fun and maybe adopt a dog one day.
And never give up.
And never give up. Is that what you wanted to say?
Yeah.
Never give up. Never give up. So what we're going to talk about today is Scrum Masters and product owners being pals or partners or should really get to know each other really well. And I get a lot of questions from people who are going to be product owners and what they should know and how to work with product owners and things like that. So talk about that a little bit today. We're going to keep it short because there's lots of action going on around here, as you can see. And then we'll do Fortune Cookie. We'll do Fortune Cookie Friday where the Agile accountants wrap a message for us to talk about in the show in a cookie. And we have to interpret what the cookie says. And then Eddie's probably going to eat the cookie. Jerry might eat the cookie too. I don't know. You going to eat the cookie? You would if you could. Anyway. Okay. So, excuse me. Scrum Masters and product owners. So I got people that are going to be product owners or working to be product owners. What should they do? And then maybe they get the CSPO cert or the product owner cert from Scrum.org or Scrum Alliance or
never give up.
Never give up or the SAFE. So they have their product. So what else should they do? One of the things, if you really want to get a cert, I got two avenues for you, and we talked about this before, is you can get a Scrum Master cert so you can understand the Scrum process. So if you're in the process of finding a new job, the Scrum Master cert will help you understand Scrum. If you're going to be in a Scrum world, probably are as a product owner, and understand the mechanics. Because what's going to happen is that you and the Scrum Master should become real best friends. Hopefully, well, good working friends. I don't know about best friends. You don't have to go on hang out with each other all the time, but just get to know each other really well and work together. So by knowing the process of the Scrum Master has to go through, that's going to make you a better product owner, because when you know your customer and the Scrum Master is one of your customers and your team, your Scrum team, you become a better owner or a better producer or a better, person giving value to those customers. That's part of your customer base. It's the team and the clients. You got two customers, by the way. So by knowing that and going through that process, you kind of know what goes into all the ceremonies, what work should be in, what's expected, because a lot more information is put down in the Scrum Master's class, maybe than in the PO's class on what's expected from product owners and participation. So that's one thing. And then just going on that note of expansion of capabilities. There's IC Agile, which I'm teaching, this is not a promo for it, but it's just the truth. They have a whole fleet or a track of product owner related, product management, product centered courses. And you can always take the facilitation class. That might be a plug, but I like the facilitation class because if you're going to go out there, and we talked about UX yesterday, learning UX and gathering requirements, knowing how to facilitate a meeting with those people is a good good skill set to have if you're going to meet with a bunch of people and gather requirements from the business side or the customer base and how to set that up. It doesn't hurt to be a good facilitator in that discussion, or bringing a facilitator in. Knowing what a facilitator does, bring your Scrum Master and, hey, Scrum Master, I'm going to go meet with the customers. You're a trained facilitator, right? Why don't you come in here and facilitate the meeting? I'll run the meeting. I'll be the lead. You help facilitate it, and we'll get as much information to. That's a good use for the Scrum Master. I think that worked out good. What do you think, Dad? Do you think that worked out good? So, yeah, there you go. So, tell your Scrum Master, who you're really good friends with now, where you guys are you are pals, right? Guys and girls, and everybody's friendly and everything and working together as a team. Go tell your Scrum Master, hey, I got to facilitate a focus group, or I need your help. Can you facilitate this focus group for me? Since you're a trained facilitator and how to keep things moving, help me get information while I lead it, because it's hard to lead a meeting and facilitate at the same time. It's very difficult to do. I'm going to be honest with you. It's nice having a facilitator in the meeting while you're leading the meeting. So that's another good example of how a product owner and Scrum Master can work together. Take them outside the Scrum team stuff, or her. Take them out with you to go visit the customer and your focus group meetings and meetings you have with other people around the area. Because one, will help them better understand what you have to do. And two, it'll help you out, make your job easier to do. Right, Ed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Well, that's what I have about some product owner stuff and Scrum Master and how the two should be pals. Remember, product owner, bring your Scrum Master, facilitate your next focus group meeting. Make them earn their money. They got trained. Use their skills. Got those certs. Take them with you. Right, Jer? Right, Jer? Yeah. Jerry's falling asleep. All right. We have Fortune Cookie Friday.
Yay!
Yay!
That's your time, because you can eat it.
Yeah, no, not yet. Okay, so the Agile accountants in the super sealed bag that I can't open apparently have put in a message and a fortune cookie that we're going to read, and we're going to see what they tell us to talk about. So we're going to open up the fortune cookie, because it is Fortune Cookie Friday.
Yay!
And kids got to go to school soon.
Yay! Because I get to wear flyer stuff.
Yeah, you get to wear flyer stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here's what the fortune cookie says. Be down to earth. I think we got this a repeat, but maybe we'll talk about it different. Be down to earth. Good performance will be followed by promotion. There you go. Now, I could say a plug for our own show. We're in the top 10 podcasts around the world for Agile coaches.
Wait, really?
Yeah, top 10. Top 10. Ranked 9 this year. We were 8 last year. 9 this year. Still in the top 10. I think probably because I took a break a little bit at one point during the fall doing podcasts. But we're back. We're doing podcasts every day. You just search us for anywhere on 5 a.m. Mester Scrum. I would say we're definitely down to earth in how we do this. Would you say we're down to earth, Ed?
Kind of.
Kind of. Eddie doesn't even know what it means.
Except about the one that has like a lot of subscribers.
We have a lot of subscribers. We have 13,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Do you have 1 million?
No.
Oh.
One day, Eddie, one day. Anyway, I don't know if all those Scrum Masters actually go on YouTube. So, what can we say? Be down to earth. Good performance will be followed by promotion. I would say we can talk about what we just talked about, being pals, right? Being down to earth is being pals. It's being real, being honest, and letting your Scrum Master as a product owner come into your world is being down to earth. It's not a facade, right? You don't want a facade, because now the Scrum Master knows what you're doing, and the Scrum Master experiences the kind of things that you have to do as a product owner. So it's really not a bad idea to share some of that pain you go through. And I'm going to say it's probably painful getting information from the customers and running facilitation sessions. I mean, really, I think this is a great idea. Challenge your Scrum Master. Say, hey, Scrum Master, I hear you're a facilitator. Train to be a facilitator. Yeah, I took Greg's class. Yeah, I'm a trained facilitator. And then and invite them in. I can't. Now my voice all messed up. And then invite them in.
You should ask me to do that.
Oh, you should have done the other voice. Yeah, we should have played that. And you should invite them in to help facilitate your focus groups. Why not? They get paid to do it. Actually, it's not a bad idea because then you can concentrate on what you're doing and interact with the customer and have the Scrum Master help set it up and organize and get everything all set together and make them use their skills. They probably appreciate it. They would probably actually enjoy it, right? Because most Scrum Masters enjoy facilitating meetings. So maybe like it. So again, be down to earth, become pals with your Scrum Master, and make your job a little easier. Right, Ed? Did you want to say anything today before we close up the show?
Still never give up.
Still never give up. And still never give up. Keep trying. Hopefully we'll never give up and keep trying. Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. And I got a little bell here. Ring the little bell if you want to get notification.
Oh, ring the big bell.
Okay, be careful. That's going to wake everybody and their brother up. Ah! All right.
Sorry, headphone users.
Yeah, headphone users, sorry. Have a great Friday. Enjoy your day. Happy scrumming, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. See ya.